The internet is way bigger than you think, and most of it is hiding from you. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. In 2024, the World Wide Web exploded to a mind-blowing 149 zettabytes. That's 149 trillion gigabytes. But size isn't the shocking part. Almost all of that wasn't on Google. That's because the web is split into layers, and only a tiny slice called the surface web is easily searchable. Everything you browse every day, like news sites, YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, Amazon, is on the surface web. If you can Google it, it's there. Think of it like a tip of an iceberg. It's visible, familiar, and safe. And the rest? That's the deep web, an underworld of content you can't just stumble onto. This isn't illegal or scary, it's just private. Your Gmail inbox, Netflix account, banking info, and even the behind-the-scenes systems websites used to run are all deep web territory. You can access them with a login, sure, but search engines can't. The deep web makes up the vast majority of the internet, carrying everything from subscription content to private databases, payment systems, and company secrets. And then there is the dark web, the place even below the deep web. Unlike the regular deep web, it can be reached with Chrome or Safari. To enter this hidden realm, you need a special browser like Tor and the mysterious .onion URLs. It's like a dark basement inside the internet, which is best for privacy-focused users. But most of the times, it runs the most illegal activities. So next time you think you have to go through the web, remember, what you see is just a tiny fraction of a vast digital ocean with massive hidden layers beneath the surface. The internet is bigger, deeper, and far stranger than most people realize. Have you ever stumbled on the dark web? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.